Right behind us, we have the HKS Supra.
こちらは HKS のスプラです。
And today, we're going to talk about the history of HKS, the history of this car, and what we're looking forward to in the future with HKS products.
今日はHKS の歴史、HKS の車の歴史、そして今から今後の私たちの HKS のプロジェクトについて話していきたいと思います。
Let's get into the video. Located in an old dairy warehouse at the bottom of Mount Fuji, HKS started in 1973 when Hiroyuki Hasegawa left Yamaha Motors because he thought he could make a better engine. With the help of his friend Goichi Kitagawa and funding from Sigma Automotives, HKS was born. H for Hasegawa, K for Kitagawa, and S for Sigma. Now, what was the goal of HKS? Well, it was to build the best, the fastest, and the furious engines.
I got family.
Unfortunately, building engines from scratch is very expensive. So what did they do?
Turbochargers.
Now, in 1974, the gas crisis hit, causing people to want smaller engines while still making the same amount of power or more power. Enter HKS and their turbos. They were in the right place at the right time and created high demand for their high-performance engines and high-performance engine parts. As their notoriety grew, they kept making aftermarket performance parts. But in the end, they never forgot their goal of wanting to make the best aftermarket engine ever.
ご視聴ありがとうございます。このビデオいいなと思った方は、like、コメント、サブスクライブお願いします。Alright, let's get back to the video.
Around the same time, a new car scene called speedrunning was emerging in Japan. The race to 300 kilometers per hour caused heavy competition within the tuning community, and HKS started more development on their engines to reach this goal. They broke the 300 kilometer mark with a modified in bulk Celica Double X called the M300, or as we know it outside of Japan,
The Supra.
Now, speaking of Supras, we were actually able to get a look at HKS USA's A90 SEMA build. It came to Vivid Racing HQ to drop off new parts for a future video that you do not want to miss. So go ahead and hit subscribe to be notified.
このスプラはフルデュアルマフラー、メタルキャテライザー、カーボンファイバーインテーク、あとブローオフバルブ、ワイドボディキット、カーボンストラットブレーシス、あとサスペンションはハイパーマックス SP、ECU はエキテックを使っています。
We're at HKS USA.
And behind us, we have the GR86, which we had an amazing opportunity to see. Let us know in the comments if you want to see a video on the 86.
Love it. It was really cool to see the HKS A90 and GR86. And we have a bunch of stuff coming up with HKS, so don't forget to leave a notification bell clicked so you get notified every time we post. Thank you so much for watching. I see you in the next one. Bye!